are actually our friends. Bees have been proven to help with the symptoms of arthritis and the symptoms of MS through acupuncture and then through direct contact with the bee itself. Now, of course, there are going to be adverse side effects to something like this, which I'll get on to later on in the speech. First, we're going to talk about how bee venom helps with the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a disease that affects the joints of the body. It causes inflammation, causes pain, and it causes lack of mobility. Now, there's been a study published in the Chinese Journal of Acupuncture Research, and it compared 100 rheumatoid arthritis patients. 50 of them were treated with traditional oral medication, 50 were treated with the bee venom therapy. Now, both these groups actually had significant help with their arthritis symptoms, but the bee venom therapy people had a more raised help when it came to the morning stiffness and stiffness such as that. There's also a therapy done where people had the bee venom therapy combined with the oral traditional medication. These people had phenomenal help when it came to the arthritis symptoms. Now, it doesn't only help with arthritis, it actually helps with MS as well. The MS people, MS is short for multiple sclerosis. It is a disabling disease. It causes issues with the joints, it causes issues with the bone, it causes issues with the muscle, and these people have to live with this. There is no cure, it is only treatment for symptoms. There's only about 100 people worldwide, or 100 million people worldwide that have this disease. There's a chemical in the bee venom called melatonin. Now, melatonin is going to be a very powerful anti-inflammatory. It's about 100 times stronger than cortisone, which is our usual go-to when it comes to any anti-inflammatory issues. It also has a chemical known as atolapin, which is a painkiller. It's very strong. It's not like our substance control narcotics. It's going to be more of a relaxation of the nerves. When someone wants to try the bee venom therapy, such as knuckles on your hand, has arthritis, you're going to have it numbed with ice for a few minutes. The bee's going to be in a set of tweezers, and it's going to be placed on your hand, and you're going to be stung. And eventually, after a few days or a few treatments, it's actually going to help with the anti-inflammatory and all the pain. Like I said before, there are adverse side effects. The biggest side effect that you're going to want to worry about is anaphylactic shock, which can lead to death very quickly. The smaller side effects are going to be something such as swollen on the site, redness and tenderness, which can always be fixed with ice and some Benadryl. But you're going to want to have a medical professional on the side at all times. You're going to want to have checked your family history for bee allergies. You're going to want to check that you don't have allergies from when you were a child and you may not remember. You're also going to want to check with all your doctors and make sure that it's going to be a very good treatment for you. So, it's not a traditional treatment, but it is an effective one. Maybe not for all people, but maybe we'll see it in all the doctor's offices and all the pharmacies worldwide someday. We'll just have to wait and see.